Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best brake bleeding kit is probably one of the most important tools for car owners who want to maintain their vehicle's braking system efficiently and safely. This video will provide you with an in-depth review of this essential kit, covering its features, functionality, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your automotive maintenance needs. Number 5. 2-in-1 Brake Bleeder Kit. This innovative kit makes brake bleeding a breeze. It's designed for both home mechanics and professionals, saving you time and money. With its built-in vacuum gauge, you'll get precise pressure readings, 0 to 30 inches Hg, 0 to 760 millimeters of mercury. This ensures a perfect bleed every time. It comes with 4 tubes of varying lengths and multiple adapters, making it compatible with almost any car or truck. No more struggling with incompatible parts. This portable kit is compact and easy to carry. The protective case keeps everything organized and safe for storage and transport. Bleeding your brakes is now a simple, one-person job. The hand vacuum pump makes it easy and efficient. It's built with high-quality materials for long-lasting durability. Plus, we've included a spare O-ring for added peace of mind. What we like. It features a built-in vacuum gauge for precise pressure readings, ensuring efficient bleeding. Its versatile design with multiple adapters makes it suitable for various vehicles. If you need a portable and easy-to-use brake bleeder for different car types, this is the one for you. What people say. The pump works well. The vacuum pump method is cheap and worked well enough for me. For caliper work or just basic bleeding, it's just fine. Number 4. BILITOOLS 3L Vacuum Brake Bleeder. This innovative tool makes brake bleeding a one-person job. Its lightweight and portable design makes it easy to use anywhere. Say goodbye to messy brake fluid changes. It's designed for quick, clean, and efficient operation, saving you time and effort. With its larger capacity, it provides continuous suction for faster bleeding of brake and clutch lines compared to other bleeders on the market. It comes with everything you need, a 3L tank, a 1L refill bottle, a 63-inch hose, and 16 universal adapters to fit most vehicles. It's compatible with most standard and ABS brake systems. It requires an air compressor with an inlet pressure of 4.8 to 11.6 bar, 70 to 170 psi, and an average air consumption of 4.5 CFM. Watch how easily it handles brake fluid changes, saving you time and hassle. See the difference superior suction makes. What we like. This pneumatic brake bleeder offers superior suction power for faster bleeding. Its large capacity tank minimizes refills, saving you time and effort. If you value speed and efficiency in your brake bleeding process, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Used this weekend to flush brake system on my 2010 Toyota Camry with 100k, wow, this thing worked great. Used with my shop compressor, 60-gallon running off 220, it was more than enough. Saved time and aggravation, 0 complaints. Well built and easy to use. After replacing the master cylinder and ABS modulator on a 1998 DeVille, I expected, from reading the reviews, fighting intake leaks and constant bubbles making bleeding the brake lines an arduous task. The BILITOOLS boasts it can withstand an air feed of 170 psi and with my 80 gallons, 20 CFM compressor providing that flow all of the criticisms made in these reviews simply do not obtain. I propped the BILITOOLS 3-liter bucket against a tire to keep it upright and opened the vacuum valve. I looked for bubbles in the bleeder line once the compressor was engaged and saw none. In fact, as far as I could tell there was nothing flowing in the bleeder line at all. Not even a tinge of the yellow brake fluid was visible in the clear bleed screw effluent line. Within 2 minutes with no sign of any fluid in the brake bleed line there was another inch of brake fluid in the BILITOOLS container and the BILITOOLS master cylinder feed was nearly empty of the 1-liter DOT3 brake fluid it had held. This vacuum brake bleeder clearly performs best with a professional shop capacity compressor. I bought this item to flush my old brake fluid and replace it with new fluid while replacing all 4 calipers on my 2013 Toyota Sequoia. It really makes brake fluid replacement and brake bleeding an easy, one-person job, and it works well. One huge plus is the refill tank that comes with the kit. It made it very easy to bleeding all the lines without worrying about emptying out the brake fluid reservoir. Just suck out the old fluid from the reservoir, refill it, then fill the refill tank and mount it with the spout in your reservoir. As you bleed the lines, the refill bottle will keep the reservoir at the appropriate level so you don't have to worry about draining the reservoir and getting air in your lines. Number 3. 2L Manual Brake Bleeder. This innovative tool makes brake bleeding a one-person job. Say goodbye to messy and complicated brake fluid changes. It's compatible with most European car models and any car with a 45mm threaded hydraulic fluid reservoir cap. It simplifies the process for various vehicles. Made from high-rigidity plastic, it's built to last and resist corrosion. The included ring wrench protects your car's screws. The ergonomic design and pressure gauge allow for easy, safe, and effective bleeding. You'll have complete control throughout the process. It features a 2L tank, a 1L waste bottle, and a transparent hose for easy monitoring. The one-way siphoning, quick connect, and pressure release valve make it efficient. No need for a second person. Its stable base and convenient handle make it simple to use by yourself. Get professional results at home. What we like. Made from high-rigidity plastic, it's built to last. The stable base ensures secure operation, preventing spills. If you prioritize durability and stability in a manual brake bleeder, this is the ideal option. What people say. Sturdy and thick plastic. All covers were solid and fit snug. The lid wrench included works amazing to get things nice and tight. There was enough tubing to set the tank on the ground and the wide base was convenient and I barely had to pump the thing at all to get it to 10 psi. The plastics and hardware are good quality. The included cap fit the reservoir properly. The tube length from the pump to the car reservoir cap was long enough to keep the pump on the ground next to the car. Number 2. 1L Brake Bleeder Bottle. This innovative brake bleeder bottle makes draining old brake fluid a breeze. Its simple design and durable materials ensure a smooth and efficient process. Simply attach it to your brake system, secure it in place, and pump the brake pedal. It's that easy. Made from high-rigidity plastic, it's built to last and withstand the harsh chemicals in brake fluid. It works with all brake systems, from cars and motorcycles to ATVs and scooters. It's the perfect tool for any vehicle. This kit includes everything you need, a 24-inch hose, rubber connectors, and a chain to keep it secure. Get started today. We're here to help. If you have any questions or issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you. What we like. Its straightforward design makes brake bleeding a breeze. It's compatible with various vehicles, offering great value for money. If you're looking for a simple, cost-effective solution for brake bleeding, this is a great choice. What people say. The fit was spot on, and it worked flawlessly right out of the box. Made the bleeding process quick and mess-free for Benz E350. Solid build quality and easy to use. The ease of use is amazing. One-man bleed jobs are a cinch. Works how it should, kept the brake fluid off the ground while bleeding the brakes. As long as you use it right, you can get a brake job done by yourself. Number 1. OULAIZ 2L Vacuum Brake Bleeder. This brake bleeder is designed for single-person use. It uses a vacuum system, making brake bleeding quick and easy, eliminating the need for a second person. It features a variable thumb throttle for precise control and a built-in muffler for quieter operation. Enjoy a cleaner and more efficient bleeding process. With a 2-liter capacity and a 1-liter refill bottle, you can bleed your brakes without constantly refilling. It's designed for one-time filling for faster and more convenient brake fluid changes. This kit comes with everything you need, a 2L bleeder, a 1L refill bottle, silicone hoses, and adapters compatible with most brake systems. It even includes a master cylinder evacuation hose. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty. Contact us with any questions or concerns, we're here to help. What we like. This pneumatic bleeder operates quietly and efficiently, thanks to its variable thumb throttle and integrated muffler. The large tank capacity allows for one-time filling, minimizing interruptions. If you prefer a quiet, efficient, and convenient brake bleeding experience, this is the one for you. What people say. Used it only my Harley and worked as expected. After making a couple attempts, I found that I had to set the pressure above 110 pounds to the suction I needed. Other than that, it worked fine. No complaints with the product, it works just fine, makes bleeding brakes much easier. It makes the job much cleaner and much faster. The product works as advertised and definitely makes bleeding brakes an easy job. The bottle works great. Just don't get the container full or the fluid will come out of the exhaust tip. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.